Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting with the essentials and the first actions. Check your device clock and set it exactly, because certificates depend on accurate time. Once done, turn off any VPN or proxy so Safari connects directly and retest the site. This rules out interception. Next, clear Safari's website data from preferences to remove stale cookies or certificates. These steps eliminate the most common causes quickly, and they prepare the browser for the deeper fixes that follow. Now dig into the middle steps that require a little more attention. View the site certificate via the lock icon and confirm the issuer and expiration. If the cert looks wrong, it may be intercepted. Restart your router and try a different network or cellular hotspot to rule out local network issues. On Mac OS, open Keychain Access to find and remove expired or suspicious certificates. Make sure to log out and back in after removal. These actions address network and certificate chain problems that simple clearing won't fix. Finish by restarting Safari and testing again. Sometimes a fresh session reloads certificate trust. If the error persists, reset Safari settings or create a new user profile to ensure no corrupted preferences remain, and then revisit the page. If you still see the private connection error, try an alternate browser to isolate Safari-specific faults and contact the website administrator with the certificate details you observed. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable antivirus/HTTPS scanning. If that fixes it, reconfigure or update the security software.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.